Let me show you how to make that delicious blueberry cake. Start with 2 cups of flour. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and mix everything together. Crack 2 eggs in another bowl. Make sure the eggs are not cold, but at room temperature. Add 1 cup of sugar. Mix with an electric mixer until light and fluffy, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add half a cup of sour cream. Add half a cup of melted butter and quickly mix it again for no more than 30 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup. Take a spatula and gently mix everything together. Slowly add the flour and gently mix until smooth. Until the batter looks like this, smooth and soft. Add about 1 tablespoon of lemon zest to the batter. I'm using 3 cups of fresh blueberries washed and dried. Add about 1/3 of the blueberries to the batter and gently mix it in. I'm using a 9-inch springform pan. Line the bottom with baking paper and spray all around with cooking spray. Pour the batter into the springform. Even out the top with a spatula. Don't waste anything. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon on the remaining blueberries. Dust with about a teaspoon of flour and mix it. Evenly add the remaining blueberries on the top. Cook in a preheated oven at 360 Fahrenheit. Mine was ready in about an hour. Let the cake cool down for half an hour. Dust with powdered sugar if you want. Mine hasn't cooled down enough, but the smell of freshly baked blueberry cake, it's just irresistible. Serve with vanilla ice cream and enjoy. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you liked the video. See you next time!